G'day explorers, welcome to the first day of September. Hope you guys are doing well. Just wanting to vlog in and let you know what I'm up to today. And yeah, it's just going to be a bit of that gardening that I've shown you in the last two videos, the last two parts. This will be part 4. So I'm going to spin you around. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be getting up to. I won't show you the process, but I'll show you the after, and yeah, we'll go from there and see what else I feel like I'm getting up to today. So yeah, spin you around. Okay guys, so this is basically, you would recognize this from the last two parts. This is what I'm going to get up to. I'm going to go all the way through to the clothesline there and see how I feel after that, and if I feel like doing anything more, I'll show you guys, and yeah, we'll go from there again. But yeah, that's what I'm going to get up to today. As I showed you, just a recap from the other day was I'd started up to there, so I've just got to basically get in and get all the weeds out from in between as well, you know, in between the plants and all that, so it looks a bit better. And yeah, poor old gnome here, poor old gnome, he's in there somewhere, and the poor old mushroom is upside down, so yeah, we'll get that sorted as well. So okay guys, we'll catch you a bit later on, and yeah, I'll show you the finished product. Good morning explorers, Thursday the 2nd of September. Sorry about yesterday guys, I just I didn't get the garden finished. I injured myself a little bit, as I will show you shortly, with exactly what the garden's made up of. Is really sodden and wet. And I did a bit of a whoopsie with my shoulder, so a bit sore today. So I'm just going to show you basically where I got to. So there you go guys, so basically I got this side of it done all the way up to the top there, but I'm going to show you exactly how sodden it is. If you can see, basically the grass is right into the soil. Basically when you dig, all the soil comes with it, so it makes it really heavy. Not anything like the other area I did in the first video of part 1. So it was a lot harder, so made it hard work for my shoulder blade as well. So I'm a bit sore today, so but yeah, basically I've got just that bit to do. I'll knock it out at some stage once I'm good again, but I'm just going to take you over and show you what Vicky ended up doing yesterday. Now if you remember back to part 2, this was quite bad, and as you can see now, it's all the way down, all the way down. I've still got to do a bit of trimming with the to get the pavers back to be able to walk down there, but basically all the way through here and down here and all the way through there, and she's put some succulents into the garden here, which looks really cool, and an ornament and a wee frog. So that's I think that's a candle holder actually, that one. Yeah, or a tea light holder. So yeah, so basically it's looking pretty good now. So I've just got to come in and do a bit of trimming. Just to recap, everybody, basically I'm gonna cut these down a bit further over there as well, just because they're so quick. Soon as spring and summer comes, these will be nuts, and the job down there as well, just to clear some of that ladder fern. So yeah guys, I just wanted to update you on where we're at on Thursday the 2nd of September, and hope you guys have an awesome day wherever you are. It's an absolute gorgeous day. As you can see, blue sky, the sun's starting to come through now, and yeah, I'm gonna get on with my day, but yeah, you guys have a good one.